Okay, what I'm trying to do here is this section of clips here, I want to change the speed. I want to slow them down. I want an overall duration of 544. Won't do it. As soon as I put it in, it goes right back to 12. It shows it like shrunk down in the timeline, but then I hit OK, it does nothing. So it doesn't matter if I combine them or group them, I mean, or ungroup. I can't combine. I don't know why. I've never used combine, so anyhow. I can do one of them at a time. So I select one of them, video speed. Then it will bring up the speed designer, and then I could do it. 544 is what I want. So shows it, so it shows the integer, hit OK, does it just fine. The thing is, I want these 7 together to be 544 total, because I want to put a music track down here that's 544, but I can't do that. So the only way I could figure out in my mind how to do it, I think this is broken, is I'm going to have to produce the whole video, then open the produced video, clip out that section, then change the speed on that section. Then I can put my music. That's a pain in the butt, because then I have to render twice. Yeah, fix it, please.